No, no.
Their eyes recept, but their heads step out.
Jamaica is her name, but our pride is still alive. If you wouldn't wear it for yourself, don't send it down here. Foreigners and Jamaicans, don't send your own broken things down here. We are suffering, yes, but our pride still stands on the corner. If you don't want it for yourself, then don't send it down here. If you wouldn't wear it at home, please don't ship it to mine. The hurricane hit, people crying out for help. But what a shame some barrels come filled with rags on shelf. Old shoes, torn pants, shirts with stains. Is that the love you're sending through the pain? You say it's charity, response to show some dignity. You say it's love response, then send it clean from above. We're not begging.